Yo, what's going on? The boy's back again with another one. Today, this is the second mod. Just pulled up at my boy Doobie's house. We about to have D&J garage. He's just actually letting up his garage now. About to change the interior lights to LEDs right here. So yeah, finna get it started. Yeah. Now what is boy at? Yeah, Doobie's garage, D&J garage. Say what's going on. What's going on, building? Shout out to my son. But yeah, we finna get this thing cracking. I don't know if y'all didn't know, dog Doobie got a FRS. What year? 2013 FRS. AKA Shadow. You know, y'all probably see that a little bit more, but yeah, man, this thing clean. But yeah, I'm gonna start with what I'm replacing. It will be the two you call it vanity lights? What do you call these lights? Yeah, vanity mirror lights. I'm gonna replace the two map lights, and I'm gonna replace this dome light, and I'm gonna replace the two lights on the outside to LED, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it, because everything else is already LED. But yeah, I'll show y'all that in a second. Uh-oh. Where did I put it? Now this is supposed to go. Huh? Sir. Down a bit, right? Does it matter which way it goes? Yeah. Wait. Uh-oh. And if one of, if it focuses, if one of these lights don't work, you just flip it over, and then it'll work. So it's gonna look like y'all could take this lens off right here, but you can't. You actually have to take this all the way down. I thought I could do that, but you can't, because when you try to take this out, it's actually gonna hit the light bulb right there. Well, it won't focus, but it'll hit the light bulb, so you can't take it out. You have to take out these two screws. Let me show you. You have to take out those two screws right there, and then it's a clip right here and a clip right there you have to take out, and then you have to pull down this entire trim, and then you have to unplug it. So the corners, so you gotta get it. 2 corners and 2 fronts. Then once this drops, to get access to the bulb, you gotta unclip it from right here and right here. Those 2 right there. Oh, just make sure y'all see. Yeah, right here and right there. Be careful. Oh. So I almost just broke my volume knob, but it plugs back in. I think, hopefully. Alright, and once you get this down, you have to actually pry this trim. You gotta pry this trim off. But these clips right there. Yeah. That's the easiest way to do it. Like that, get you a little gap. Get you a gap to pop that off. Oh, if y'all can see, get in between there.
Might be a...
Before y'all pry this trim up, make sure you take this out and this out or you're gonna break it. Alright y'all, so once you remove the dome light or map light console, you need to remove this harness out or you will not be able to get this trim off. If you don't remove this, you're gonna break it. Yeah. Maybe this might be the easiest way is to push down on that and then up. I don't know if y'all saw that. Okay, so when you get in between here, push this down, push that notch down, and then push. Camera died, so I'm on the phone. All right, so once you pop this trim off, that ain't it. You gotta take these lenses out. And this notch right here, a notch right here, and a notch right here. And you can pop it out. Once you get the lenses off, now you gotta flip this over. And where these lights are, you gotta push it out from the bike. I'll advise that before you put this in, make sure you test it, because I tested it first and it didn't work. And if it, you gotta flip it on the other side if it doesn't work. So I would highly recommend testing that first. Then I think I got an easier way for you to do this without taking all this down. And to get these lenses back on, if you have this type of light, instead of prying this trim back off, you can get it on that side and kind of play with it a maneuver it. Try and do this with one hand. Kind of like scoop the light over. I don't know if I'll be able to do this with one hand. But you just kind of keep wiggling this around until it goes on the side of that light. Easy way to do this is to put this screwdriver and pry it like so, and then slide it in, and you'll be able to get it in. Final product. And just remember, I put the 2 screws back in there. Put those 2 side clips on, and you're good. So now you pop that thing with the dudes. Boom. Boom. Flip that thing, dude. Yeah, open the vanity. So right here, open the other one. Back. When you're changing out this light, because the OEM, the original one, is bigger, you have to press these tabs together to make them fit. Make it tighter. If it doesn't come on, you have to flip it the other way. It's time to change. Dude, still out here. The damn, the inside took. Man, this right here. This literally took me about an hour and a half, and I work with my hands daily. So that's the final product. It's 4 screws, pretty self-explanatory. So I screw it, twist, take the light bulb out first, and then you can take it, turn it counterclockwise. Yo, what's going on? Hey, just a quick side note. Man, I think it is an easier way that you can replace those map bulbs without taking that whole entire console down. I think if you could pop that lens off and get like a small, like a mini needle nose, and kind of if you can pull that light bulb out of the, if you can get that light bulb out, then I think you can get that silver piece out and then change it. So if anybody's watching this and y'all happen to do that, just be sure to leave a comment so that people can know it's like an easier way to do it. But if not, then you gotta take it all the way down. But yeah, man, I hope y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I have more mods coming. But yeah, man, hope y'all have a great day.